AI has gained a lot of interest recently, and discussions around how businesses can successfully implement a solution within their organization are currently under debate. AI automates routine tasks like data entry, report generation, and basic calculations. This frees up human resources time, allowing them to focus on strategic thinking, problem solving, and client interactions, areas where human judgment and creativity add unmeasurable value. While AI can significantly augment and streamline human processes, complete replacement remains a challenge. AI implementation is a great way to help jumpstart project solutions. However, there are many areas of your project where AI does not have the insight an actual human resource has and should be considered when implementing solutions. All business solutions rely on data analysis and insight. Whether it is SharePoint, leveraging a document management system, consolidation of data sources, or a combination of multiple solutions, AI excels at processing large data sets, identifying patterns, and generating insights. It can analyze market trends, customer behavior, and financial data more efficiently than a human can. This is a great starting point regarding consumption of large data sets. Humans have the ability to take the next step by interpreting AI-generated insights, apply domain knowledge, and provide context. Their expertise ensures actionable recommendations are successful. AI can generate personalized recommendations based on individual preferences and historical data. However, the value AI brings quickly diminishes after a pattern has been identified. People bring creativity, intuition, and empathy to complex problems. They understand organizational culture and adapt solutions accordingly. This decision support system can carry over to areas AI cannot. These areas include validation of AI recommendations, consideration of ethical implications, and tailored solutions to specific client needs. AI lacks moral judgment. It follows algorithms without questioning ethics. People navigate ethical dilemmas, ensuring responsible decision-making are aligned with societal norms. HingePoint suggests providing a hybrid approach, combining AI tools with skilled resources. AI enhances efficiency while people provide context and creativity. HingePoint embraces AI as a tool for continuous learning, adapting to technological advancements, while establishing clear guidelines for AI use for contextual understanding, creativity, and ethical judgment for your business needs. HingePoint is a consulting services company focused on the application of SharePoint through the use of best practices and proper enterprise architecture to bring increased business performance and collaboration for our clients. HingePoint has serviced well over 300 companies through our knowledge and expertise of how to make data valuable to decision makers. HingePoint's geographic reach spans coast to coast within the United States, across multiple industries, within the small, mid-sized, and large enterprise markets.